So VEVOR ended up gifting me this weed barrier fabric. Now, this is mammoth. It is 250 feet long by 6 foot wide. However, it is only 3 feet on the roll. So on the roll, it is folded. So it's gonna make it really easy for you to roll it out and then just unfold it, making it 6 feet. Now, this does cover 1,500 square feet, and it is super thick, way thicker than a lot of my other weed barriers. This is the 5-ounce fabric. Now, with the weave design on this, it makes this super strong. There's not going to be any tearing going on with this at all. I use this fabric all over the property, whether it's for my garden or underneath our driveway where we end up putting the crushed stone. And with this fabric, you're not going to have to worry about any of those weeds coming up through this. So if you're looking for a weed fabric that is super thick, that is not going to allow the weeds to grow up in whatever you're laying it down for, whether it be in your garden or under landscaping that you just don't want the weeds to grow up through, I definitely recommend this. This is super thick and made very well.